let's talk about how you can whiten your teeth naturally. Now, before we get started, what actually causes your teeth to become discolored or to become yellow is the wearing out of your enamel. As we age, the enamel becomes thinner, which allows different types of food to stain our teeth. Now, the best way to prevent your enamel from thinning is to make sure that your occlusion is well balanced. And what do I mean by that? Well, the contact that you have with your teeth actually affects the wear and tear of your actual tooth. So for example, a class 2 occlusion, which is when your upper teeth cover the lower teeth by more than 1/3, or a class 3 occlusion, which is when your lower jaw, your mandible, moves in front of your upper jaw, your maxillary, actually change the contact on your teeth, which can lead to a jaw imbalance, which in turn can lead to wearing out your teeth prematurely. And this is a remedy that I use not only for myself with my kids, and that I also use with my pets. And we'll talk about the recipe for your pets in just a second. So you're really just going to need 3 things. The first thing is hydrogen peroxide, baking powder, and salt. Hydrogen peroxide is great against a wide range of microorganisms, including bacteria, yeast, fungi, viruses, and spores. And what you're going to want to do is take 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide and put it into a small cup. You're then going to want to add to that 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder is great for whitening teeth, increasing the pH level in your mouth, which in turn kills those nasty bacteria. And when mixed with hydrogen peroxide, it creates a foamy texture. This is a texture that you're going to want to use as a replacement of your toothpaste. Mixing hydrogen peroxide and baking powder together causes a chemical reaction that becomes a mineral busting cleaning powerhouse. Just under a minute, you should notice the concussion foaming up, and then what you're going to want to do is add some salt. A couple of pinches of salt to the mixture will also help you increase the pH level in your mouth. Now, salt is a great way to kill most bacteria, and mixed together with the other 2, you're also creating that powerhouse that will allow you to restore balance in your mouth, kill the nasty bacteria, and help you have healthier enamel. Now, a great way to see visually if you do have a nasty bacteria is to use a piece of gum and to dip it in the concussion and start flossing with it. If you notice that your gums are bleeding, then you know that you're getting rid of those nasty bacteria that are causing damage to your enamel and to your health. Now, as far as the mixture for your pets, one of my personal favorites that I use with my dog and cat is a mixture of coconut oil along with baking powder and a pinch of salt. Simply mix the concussion together and gently brush your pet's teeth. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe and if it worked for you.